Let's make moist chocolate cake. Sift in together 220 grams of all-purpose flour, 94 grams of Dutch processed cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk to blend well, pressing out any lumps through a sieve. This recipe is perfect for beginners. You can never go wrong with chocolate cake. It's a very forgiving cake recipe. Not only is it a very easy recipe, but it fits all in one bowl. Less washing later. Add 250 grams of granulated sugar. Whisk to blend well, pressing out any lumps of sugar. You can add up to 400 grams of sugar. I personally like the taste of this cake because it's not so sweet. Add 2 large eggs. Add 113 grams of flavorless oil, 180 grams of buttermilk. Whisk to blend well. This is an oil-based cake, although I love butter. Oil makes cakes ultra moist since it is liquid at room temperature. Plus, with this intense chocolate flavor and buttermilk, you won't miss the butter. At this stage, the batter is thick and somewhat dry. Just keep on mixing gently. It will come together eventually. Add 180 grams of boiling water and a teaspoon of instant coffee. Using a whisk or spatula, mix to blend well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me. Add a splash of good quality vanilla extract and mix well. After adding the liquid, the batter will become slightly thin and runny. Make sure you are already preheating your oven to 150 degrees Celsius. You can save this video and share it with your family and friends. Baking is a great way to bond with our loved ones. Divide the batter into 3 6-inch pans, 3-inch deep. It's approximately 380 grams per pan. Give it a couple of taps to release any big air bubbles. Bake them in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Once baked, let it cool down completely in a cooling rack and then release it from the pan. Your super moist chocolate cake is done. Wrap it with a cling wrap and store in the freezer before frosting. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.